Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the oldest sister, Maisha here. Today we're just going to get into a little cleaning. We got laundry to do. I made some brownies for the kids in the video, so you're going to see me put that up so they can have a little snack later on. And just going to have a good time. It's a quick video, so stick around and there'll be a little announcement at the end of the video if you make it all the way to the end. Drop a comment down below if you make it all the way to the end. All right, guys, look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey y'all, so we're just gonna get into this redecorating or reorganizing this buffet server. So I already had some items in there, so I'm just gonna be switching them around and adding in some glasses that I purchased from Ross. It was like a pack of 10 for only like $7.99. My parents always complain when they come to my house that I don't have real glasses. I have mason jars, but my dad don't feel drinking out of mason jars, so I purchased those glasses for people who prefer to drink out of glasses. And I'll add them to the buffet server as well. I purchased some more bowls that my husband and the kids can use to either eat their cereal or rice or whatever they eat out of. So those are the things that'll be in the server. I also had some other coffee cups, some little small coffee cups that I purchased a while ago. So we use those as well. I think they came with the set, the plate set that we use in the actual kitchen. So those will go in here as well. And then the wine glasses that I had, told you guys before that I purchased those from Facebook Market for like $5 a piece. So just adding the leftover ones to the buffet server. The extra set of the china that I had, I put it in here as well. And then I'm gonna just do some reorganizing and you'll see the final result. I think I like how it turned out, of course. So of course in our house it's always laundry being done, so here I'm just folding up the towels and then we'll put those up and move on to the next thing. But I'm noticing as I'm folding these towels, that bottom towel, that grayish bluish one, you see how it's not symmetric, it's not folded correctly, and that's just tearing my nerves up now that I see it on the video. But that towel's probably already been used by now, so we're moving on. I just gotta keep that in mind for the next time. It's a beautiful thing to have the kitchen cleaned up. My husband made dinner tonight. So if you're wondering why there are no spoons in the utensils, that's because he made dinner tonight. Anytime he makes dinner, he uses up all my stuff as if it's Christmas Day. Oh, I made brownies. You gotta make 2 sets of brownies because kids don't eat brownies with nuts. And they like, my daughter likes to put sprinkles on hers. So I'm gonna take those and put them on a cake plate and just sit it in the dining room for when they want a snack. Okay, so before I put the brownies up, I need to vacuum the floor. So I'm doing that now. And again, have I told y'all how much I love this Dyson vacuum cleaner? If you don't have one, get you one. I don't know if it's because it's a cordless vacuum cleaner or because it's a Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner. But I got this for a really good deal on Walmart. It was actually a refurbished one, and I haven't had a problem with it. So yes, definitely invest in one of those if you have not. gonna get into putting the brownies on the cake plate. There's not nothing special about the cake plate. I got this, I think, for like $10 or $15 from Ross a couple of days ago. Not a couple of days, a couple of weeks ago. And yes, I am eating the crumbs of the brownies as I put them up. Don't touch me. So I'm just putting those up here, and then, like I said, we'll put them in the dining room for the kids to have a snack for later on. Yeah, so the last thing I need to do here in the kitchen is just to mop the floors. I try to mop the floors every night because that's where we track all the dirt and stuff from our shoes coming into the house. We don't wear our shoes in the house, so this is the only part of the house that's not carpeted, so we enter through here. So I definitely try and get that mopped at least every other day, but most of the times every day. So all right, guys, thank you for sticking with me this far. If you made it this far, I just want to tell you guys that to stay tuned. We will be having a giveaway soon for the holidays, and just thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Just want you guys to have a great week, and remember to take care of yourself and take care of home.